Top 3 iPhone battery saving tips that you need to know. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So without any ado, let's get started with 3 tips that can help to save the battery. For the step 1, head over to your device settings. Scroll down until you find the option of display and brightness. Once tapping on it, select the dark mode and also make sure to toggle on the option of auto brightness. This feature automatically adjusts your screen brightness based on the light conditions, optimizing your battery usage. Moving on to method 2, head over to your settings page again and tap on battery. Once you are on battery, tap on charging. Now make sure to toggle on the option of optimized battery charging. Once that is done, head over to the previous page and toggle on the option of low power mode. This reduces the background activities and disables automatic downloads and lowers the screen brightness, which helps to conserve battery life. For the third method, head over to the General. Once on General, scroll down and tap on the option of Background App Refresh. You can toggle off the option, or you can also select specific apps to disable this feature. This does not let the battery consumption of drainage in the background. So these are the 3 tips that can help to save your battery life. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.